Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your third week of October reading start from the 15th through the 21st of October 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned and let's find out what is heading towards you guys for this week time starting tomorrow. While I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. And you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is coming up for you for this week time starting tomorrow. Let's begin. Hangman, Queen of Cups, Seven of Wands. You are giving up a connection that you love, connection that you have invested a lot into, because you don't see things moving, you don't see things going in the right direction, and you're tired of waiting. You're tired of waiting for things to turn up good for you in this situation. You're tired of waiting for your person to change, your person to give you love, your person to act mature. Whatever the case is, I do see you leaving on to, living this connection. I do see you giving up on this connection because you're so done with the waiting. You're so done with the, hope that one day they will change. You now feel like, that one day is never going to come. And you don't want to invest yourself into this connection any longer. So that's going to be the energy for you as you start off the week. Let's see more cards. And the moment you do that, they are going to reach out to you with a stable offer. Wow. It's so much like Pisces. So for some of you, you might be dealing with a Piscean as well. It's almost the same storyline. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. But yes, I feel like, the moment that, this one person, be that you or the person that you are dealing with, the moment they give up, if they are the one giving up on the connection, you are going to be the one reaching out to them with a stable offer. If they have been the one, if you have been the one who gave up on this connection because you didn't see any change in them, then they are going to change their attitude towards you, towards this connection. They will start putting the effort into this connection. If it has been the opposite, you will be the one putting the effort into this connection to make things better, because somebody is really good. It's more like, fucking tired is what I'm picking up. Like, somebody who has been stuck, thinking, wishing, hoping things will change, things will change, things will change. Months pass by, years pass by, but this person has not changed, and you love them dearly, but at the same time, it's like it's now getting on your nerves. Now you don't want to put more effort into this connection, and you choose to move on. And the moment you do that, there you go, this person is all good, all happy, all exactly how you want them to be. This is the shift that I talked about in most of the readings today. And like I said, in the remaining, in the other readings, there must be some sort of planetary movement, which I have no idea about because I'm not into astrology at all. So, which is bringing this change, this shift in the person, and the shift into a connection as well. So there must be something happening up in there in celestial world, which is bringing this sudden shift. It's more like, the universe is intervening in the situation which has been stuck for years maybe. So it's like, bringing the change, chaotic maybe initially, but then eventually it's gonna all settle down. It's gonna all, like, just it's more like, it's just, it's just gonna bring the pieces back to the puzzle, like, maybe they were missing or something. And it's like, all is going to be set between you and this person as one person walks out of this connection, which either one of you might have already done. Because it's for very few of you, maybe you would be doing that this week, but for majority of you, I feel like, that has already been done. The wait is, for some of you, maybe it's gonna come this week time. Maybe, you are tired. Maybe you are going to approach them one last time. If they say no to it, if they don't understand what you are saying, you are just going to go away from them. And the moment you do that, the moment you tell them, okay, fine, it's over, then their attitude is going to change the next moment. Let's see one more card. Seven of Swords. One more card, please. Page of Swords. But I don't see them changing. That's the issue here. It's like I mean, for the Pisceans, the person changed, but for you, it's like, they are coming back to their same old them. And they're going to be like, the same them. Then in that situation, I feel like, you will have to either you have to accept them the way they are, or you just need to just walk away and not to listen to what they have to say at first place. Because this person is not going to change. Their attitude is not going to change. I don't see that happening. They are going to be like, going back and forth in their way they treat, this connection. And plus, there's one more issue here, that this person's attitude is very childish and deceptive. So somebody really needs to cut this person out of their life. Let's take two more cards here. Lovers, the Magician, and one last card, Strength. It's going to take a lot of courage from your part to leave this person behind, until unless they are solid, mature, and stable in their head about you, about this connection. Because it's like, the moment they say, okay, fine, don't leave me, the next moment they are back to how they used to treat the connection. There is very childish energy around them. So for some of you, you really have to either lie to them that you have moved on so they could give you what you want. For others of you, you have to basically move on to a new connection. Only then they will become real in this connection. But the connection that you have is very strong. I don't think that you will be able to move on to another person, but maybe a lie could work for the two of you. But I don't see otherwise things changing between the two of you. So yeah, let's see what the Oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Wow, it's still like the Fishies energy. Let's see, one card here from this deck. Look to your inner strength. You are stronger than you realize. You are stronger than you realize. Maybe if you want, you can leave this person behind. At least until unless they are ready to give you what you want. Gather that strength, because only that strength, if you really want to end a cycle, you have to break free from that cycle. If you continue doing the same if you continue repeating the same mistakes, you will end up getting the same results, which you are getting here. So you really have to make a point there. And if they don't understand it, walk away, move away. And that's the time when they will come forward with a solid commitment or solid, step into making this connection a better place to stay in. And yeah, I am loving the energy. Sorry, I am the loving energy of the universe. Let love find you. Let them find you. Let them give you the love that you deserve and desire, and just leave them alone for now, because that's going to work for you. Otherwise, they are going to treat you the way they have been treating you. Otherwise, they are going to treat you or make you feel unworthy, or somebody who they treat bad all the time and take them for granted. So if you really want to come out or break the cycle, you really have to change your attitude towards them, or the way you reconnect or accept their apology for doing something wrong. You really have to make a point there that you don't want to settle in for less than this. If and only if you could break the cycle, then only you will get the result that you want in this connection, which could last forever, which make the connection last forever with no going on and off. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.